When using a hand plane to trim the edge of a workpiece, it's sometimes a challenge to keep that edge square to the face. I think we all have a tendency to lean the plane one way or another, resulting in an edge that isn't square. These edge planes are unique in that they have a fence built into the sole of the plane that is 90 degrees to the cutting edge of the blade. They're available in a right-hand version and a left-hand version, and you would use one over the other depending on the grain of the workpiece. To use an edge plane, keep the face of the plane tight against the face of the workpiece and just allow the skewed blade to skim across the top edge of the workpiece. It may only take a few passes. Check your progress with the square along the entire length of the workpiece. I think you'll find in the end that you have a perfectly square workpiece that you can assemble into your project.